Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Trading 212 Invest. Trading 212 Invest is an investment platform that allows users to trade stocks, ETFs, and other financial instruments. It's aimed at both beginners and experienced investors, offering a range of tools and resources to help manage investments. Key features include fractional share trading and a user-friendly interface. Their website provides details on available assets and account types. Their website highlights ease of use and transparent pricing, claiming no hidden fees. They emphasize a streamlined investment process, and their competitive advantage seems to be their accessible platform for both beginners and those with more experience. Availability is worldwide, subject to local regulations. You can check their website for specifics in your region. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Trading 212 Invest. Getting started was incredibly easy. The sign-up process took only a few minutes, and the onboarding tutorial was clear and concise. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I quickly learned how to search for stocks, place orders, and monitor my portfolio. The charting tools were particularly helpful for analyzing price trends. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. Everything was clearly laid out and easy to understand. The standout feature for me was definitely the fractional share trading, allowing me to invest in expensive stocks even with a smaller budget. Performance was consistently good. The platform was fast and reliable, with minimal downtime. I had a quick question about tax implications, and their support responded within 2 days via email, providing a helpful and informative response. One minor drawback was the limited selection of educational resources compared to some competitors. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Trading 212 Invest. It's a user-friendly and reliable platform that's perfect for beginners and experienced investors alike, although more educational content would be a welcome addition. That's my overview of Trading 212 Invest. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.